We'd just gotten done running some live burns in these containers when a firefighter came up to me after the fact expressing frustration at how the fire behavior they saw here had never been shown to them after 8 years in a full-time fire department. That's exactly why we developed this system. You need to train firefighters in the environment they're actually expected to perform in. But it doesn't mean you need to spend $500,000 on a store-bought training tower. The fire service's use of shipping containers has drastically increased as a way to meet these challenges, but is often the biggest reason fire department administrators turn from the do-it-yourself model to other products that don't provide the same realism. The kit that we've developed expands on the current lineup of door and window props and adds a flashover chamber that does not require any on-site fabrication or skills to install. All you need is a forklift or a loader for about 20 minutes to slide the unit into place. There's no need for mobile welders or even power at the build site. A small generator can maintain the battery power tools needed to cut the window openings and bolt the door prop in place. Another benefit is the added lifespan you get with the shipping container holding the burn room, as the majority of the energy is absorbed by the 1/4-inch steel walls and skeleton of the flashover chamber and not the shipping container itself. The flashover chamber comes with all the channel you need to hold the OSB sheets for the fuel package, as well as rings to mount chain to hold sheets on the ceilings and up against the walls. It has a steel door with a static handle that can close fully, and the burn room can be quickly turned around for the next evolution by spraying out the chamber through the bottom opening and passing new pallets and OSB sheets through that into your ignition team. While properly investing in your fire department's live fire training program does require hard work, we've developed what we believe is the ideal balance between do-it-yourself and commercially built. What's most exciting for us is how this now brings realistic fire behavior training into the realm of possibility for small volunteer departments operating with very thin budgets. Using our kit, you can build a realistic multi-story training building for less than 25% of the cost of a store-bought system. There is a logistics investment to put it all together, but it is a fraction of the work that would be required if you were to start from scratch. A practical way to view that as an administrator is when you go to the city council or your elected board, it's commonly accepted that $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 is a reasonable expense for a single training building, with more complex buildings now well over $1 million. We've given you the ability to go into these meetings as a hero. You can go in saying, hey, I know we budgeted this amount for a single building, but through wise fiscal stewardship and innovative new products, we're not only going to be under budget, but we're going to build the entire town, not just a single building.